Make a great choice today with the 2019 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear-view camera, audio radio, touch-screen display, CarNet satellite communications, audio speed-sensitive volume control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, first aid kit, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, compass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.